I'm Shweta. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here and you are seeing me for the very first time, then please subscribe to my channel and it will mean a lot to me. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So yeah. So today is 1st of February, the month of love, and I really wanted to make this month a bit more special for you guys. So here I am making this video, but before starting this video, I really want to tell you guys that this video is not only for those girls who have somebody to celebrate Valentine with and those who are going on dates. Basically, this video is for each and every girl who is there loving herself the most, because for me, self-love is the most important thing in my life, and I just want each and every girl to love herself the most. So if you have somebody to go on date with, well and good, but even if you don't have anybody like me, like I am single, so even if we don't have anybody, it's okay, we will have fun akele, okay? It's all good. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So in today's video, we have everything in red, like tops, dresses, everything is in red color. And also red is such a color now which makes you feel so special. Like मेरे साथ तो ऐसा होता है कि अगर मैंने red पहन लिया तो my confidence will be here and I will be like सबसे सुंदर मैं ही, सबसे सुंदर मैं ही. So such is my love for red and I just feel कि red makes you feel so special. So I had dresses from Myntra, Ajio और मैंने Shein से भी कुछ pieces order किए थे, वो भी मैं आपको show कर रही हूँ, और उसके कुछ alternatives I will link in the description box so you guys can check out that as well. So yeah, starting off with the first dress. So the first dress that we have today is from Myntra and it's a maroon bodycon dress. It's a one shoulder dress and as you guys can see, the color of this is so pretty. Like I like those bright red colors as well, but उससे भी ज़्यादा this is my favorite. मुझे ये वाला shade बहुत perfect लगता है and this shade can go with every Indian complexion and for me this shade is like perfect. So yeah, ये मैं आपको try करके भी दिखाने वाली हूँ, but talking about this dress, the material is polyester and the brand is U&F and I got it in medium size. मुझे इसकी fitting बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आई है. Also the price of this, रुको हाँ, let me check because मैंने बहुत पहले order की थी तो I don't even remember. But I got it for rupees 611 and अभी ये और ज़्यादा sale पे चल रही है and the price of this right now is 550 only. So yeah guys, in this price मुझे नहीं लगता कि इससे better कुछ हमें मिल सकता है. The material is nice, the color is nice, the fit is amazing and everything about this dress is so good. So yeah, this is my first recommendation for Valentine Day.
अगर आप डेट पे जा रहे हो और इससे पहन लिया ना, your man will be like, गया वो.
So the second dress that we have for you guys is this maroon slit maxi dress. I got it from Myntra and this is the dress I'm talking about. So it has a slit over here and it's all ankle length and it has this single straps over the top. So by now you guys must be knowing that I love the shade of red and I really love the material of this as well. So the material is quite polyester with some blend that I don't know, but ये polyester के साथ कुछ blend सा लग रहा है and it is quite fitted over the top and ये नीचे से क्योंकि यहाँ पे slit है तो it's quite loose over there and the fitting of this is so amazing, like totally good. Also the brand of this is Trendsetter and I got it in size small and the price of this earlier was 1400 जब मैंने इसे खरीदा था, but now it's on sale again and इसका price अभी 1200 शो हो रहा है वेबसाइट पे. मैंने अभी चेक किया, it's 1200 right now. So yeah, for this price this dress is totally good and if you are someone who is not comfortable wearing short dresses and if you are someone who wants to wear something like which is a maxi or like full length dress, so this dress must be your first option because ये बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारा है, बहुत ज़्यादा. Like if you wear this now, you don't need to do anything, just wear this, have some good hairstyle and you're good to go with this dress. It is so amazing. So yeah, moving to the next. So the next dress that we have is this very cute dress from Ajio. I don't know what brand it is from because it doesn't have any tag और मुझे कुछ याद नहीं है इसके बारे में. ये मैंने बहुत पहले लिया था and I literally got it for rupees 300 from Ajio and इसका प्राइस अभी भी 300-200 पे ही कुछ है and I am telling you guys, this dress is very good. Like अगर आपको कहीं नहीं जाना है but you want to get ready and you want to look cute at home, you just need to go for this. Like अगर आपने इसे पहन लिया, you will feel all cute, all baby in this dress and you will be so happy. Like मैं इसे जब भी पहनती हूँ ना, it makes me look like a baby and I love that about this dress. The color is again a red, like this is a bright red and इसके ऊपर पूरे यहाँ पे floral prints दिए हुए हैं, छोटे छोटे flowers बने हुए हैं and it's a skirted dress. So yeah, that's it about this dress. Moving to the next item. Next item I want to show you guys is this very cute tube top. So this is again in maroon shade and it is very stretchy. Like I got it in size medium from Shein and I know कि Shein जैसा, like I got it for rupees 350 or something. So I know इस price में तो मिलना मुश्किल है, but I have found some alternatives that I have linked in description box. You guys can definitely check that out. Also मैं ना अभी इसे लाइक अभी वीडियो के पहले, ये शूट करने के पहले आई वॉज मेकिंग अ ट्राई ऑन हॉल. तो मैं जब ये पहन रही थी ना, मम्मा वॉज लाइक छोटू ये तेरे पे आ जाएगा ना, आर यू श्योर? एंड आई वॉज लाइक मम्मा वेट. तो व्हेन आई केम ट्राई करके इसे, मम्मा वॉज सो शॉक कि दिस पे आया कैसे, दिस इज सो स्मॉल, दिस लुक सो स्मॉल, मम्मा वॉज सो शॉक. सो बेसिकली आई एम टेलिंग यू कि यू गाइज कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर अ साइज डाउन फॉर दिस. लाइक एल साइज के हो तो यू गाइज कैन गो फॉर मीडियम साइज एज वेल. इट इज वेरी स्ट्रेची एंड इट लुक्स क्यूट. You guys can style this with pants, you guys can style with skirts, mini skirts, long skirts, every kind of thing, and it will look super cute. So yeah, moving to the next item. So the last and the best item from my haul is this very pretty bodycon dress. So it has just single straps over here and it has this bright red color. So basically मुझे ये कलर उतना पसंद नहीं था, but after this I am loving this shade of red as well. So yeah, it is all bodycon over here and it is from brand Veni Vidi VC and I got it in size medium. So yeah, the fit is amazing. The material is again polyester. मैंने सारी ड्रेसेस जो भी अभी आपको शो की सारी की सारी पॉलिएस्टर की है एक्सेप्ट दैट ट्यूब टॉप. सो सारा का सारा पॉलिएस्टर ही है मैंने जो भी शो किया है. इट्स अगेन अ नाइस मटेरियल, ये बिल्कुल भी थिन नहीं है, इट्स ऑल गुड. सो द मटेरियल इज नाइस, द कलर इज नाइस, द फिटिंग इज अमेजिंग एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइज, अगर you want to go for something hot and sexy, so this dress is a must for you. And also this has got this thing over here, I don't know what to say about this. So this has this V shape and अगर आप चाहो तो आप इसे और deep कर सकते हो by doing this. So you will get a deeper neck over here. So yeah, the price of this was originally 1699 or something and I literally got it for rupees 800 and for this price this dress is all good. So yeah guys, with this I'm ending this video and I hope you enjoyed with me, and if you did, like this video and share this with your girl gang. Also a very happy Valentine to all you girls and to everyone who is watching this. Just spread love, spread happiness and just be happy with whatever you have. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye. So many chappies and puppies to my single girls. Bye bye.